Today we are looking at the Indesit LD85F1S Fridge Freezer in silver. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. Great for family homes, this Indesit LD85F1S Fridge Freezer is a capacious way to store all your fresh food and produce. You can trust you are running an economical appliance that is running at its optimum every day. No frost. No frost means you'll never have to manually defrost again, and you can rest assured that your freezer has no ice buildup which could affect your foods. With the Flexi Use Box you have complete control over the way you want to preserve your food. You have added flexibility to store different types of food at different temperatures, including fruit, veg, meat and fish, to ensure maximum freshness. All the space needed, extra space is created in the freezer thanks to the deeper freezer box. You can pack in lots of smaller items, as well having room for larger ones, including ice cream tubs or pieces of meat you want to keep for another time, making it easier to organize and remove items. Protect the food. The doors are fitted with antibacterial seals which help to maintain a hygienic and sanitary environment for your food. Eco-friendly. In addition, it has been given an A+ energy efficiency rating, making it great for both your electricity bill and the environment, whilst maintaining the optimum and most efficient cooling process for your fresh food and produce. Extra durability, showcasing tough, safety glass shelves. You can easily store heavier items without the fear of them buckling, cracking or giving way. Made to last and incredibly durable, these shelves are easy to clean and look fantastic. For a stylish, smart and intuitive way to store your fresh food and produce, look no further than this Indesit LD85F1S Fridge Freezer. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.